Good day, everyone. I'm Hazel Bautista Llamas, trainer of Cookery NC2 and Commercial Cooking NC3, and assessor of Cookery NC2, and a member of Royal Institute Master Chef Singapore. So welcome to Vox Humana Technological College, Ordoneta City, Pangasinan.
Now we will discuss about measurement. Measurement. Tablespoon, teaspoon, pinch 1/8 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon is equals to 3 teaspoon and 15 ml. 2 tablespoon is equals to 1 ounce 30 ml. 4 tablespoon is equals to 1/4 cup. 8 tablespoon is equals to 1/2 cup. 12 tablespoons is equals to 3/4 cup. 16 tablespoon is equals to 1 cup or 250 grams. 1 cup is equals to half pint. 2 cups is 1 pint and 500 ml. 4 cups is equals to 1 quart, 1 liter, 1000 ml. 16 ounces, 1 pound. 1 pound, 454 grams. 1 teaspoon, 5 grams. Metric system. The system is base unit as many different prefixes. Metric units of measurement. Meters measure length. Liters measure volume or capacity. Grams measure weight and mass. Unit of measurement. Volume US system. Cups, pints, quarts, gallons, fluid ounces. Metric system. Liters. Unit of measurement. Metric, meters. Unit of measurement. Weight, mass, US system, ounce, pounds, and tons. Metric gram. US conversion volume 1 cup 8 fluid ounce, 1 pint 2 cups, 1 quart 2 pints, 1 gallon 4 quarts. US conversion weight 1 pound 16 ounce. 1 pint is equals to 2 cups or 500 ml. 1 quart is equals to 4 cups. 1 gallon is equal to 4,000 ml. 1 cup is equals to 8 ounce.
I'm Measuring Marion. Measurement isn't just for math, it's for cooking and baking. When we learn to measure, we learn to bake cookies, cupcakes, and more. A recipe is a list of ingredients and instructions to make food. Since a recipe explains how much of each ingredient to use, the cook must measure using measuring cups and spoons. Tablespoons and teaspoons are used to measure small amounts of ingredients like salt, herbs, spices, baking powder, and butter. They look like this. Dry measuring cups are used to measure larger amounts of dry ingredients like flour and sugar. They look like this. Liquid measuring cups are usually used to measure larger amounts of wet ingredients like milk and oil. They look like this. Serving cups vary in size, but they usually include these standard amounts: 1 cup, 3/4 cup, 1/2 cup, and 1/4 cup. It may also include 1/3 cup and 2/3 cup. Serving spoons vary in size, but they usually include these standard amounts: 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1/8 teaspoon. 1/4 cup means 1/4 of a cup, so there are 4 in 1 cup. 1/2 cup means 1/2 of a cup, so there are 2 in 1 cup. 1/3 cup means 1/3 of a cup, so there are 3 in 1 cup. Let's practice. What ingredients would you measure using a tablespoon or teaspoon, a dry measuring cup, a liquid measuring cup? Tablespoon or teaspoon measures spices, herbs, seasoning, baking soda, baking powder, butter, oil, and salt. Dry measuring cups measure flour, sugar, cocoa powder, chocolate chips, walnuts, fruit, diced vegetables, beans, etc. Liquid measuring cup measures milk, water, oil, melted butter, melted baker's chocolate, tomato sauce, broth, honey, etc. What measuring utensil would you use to measure 3/4 cup sugar? 2/3 cup milk, 2 tablespoons honey, 1/4 teaspoon salt. You would measure 3/4 cup sugar with a dry measuring cup, 2/3 cup milk with a liquid measuring cup, 2 tablespoons honey with 1 tablespoon, and 1/4 teaspoon salt with 1/4 teaspoon. Sometimes when baking, you might want to make double or half the recipe for more or fewer people. This is a good time to use simple math to divide or multiply the recipe by 2. Let's practice. Double the following recipe: 2 cups flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/3 cup milk, 2/3 tablespoon honey, 3/4 teaspoon salt. To double the following recipe, 2 cups flour becomes 4 cups flour, 1/4 cup sugar becomes 1/2 cup sugar, 1/3 cup milk becomes 2/3 cup milk, 2/3 tablespoon honey becomes 1 1/3 tablespoon honey, and 3/4 teaspoon salt becomes 1 1/4 teaspoon salt. Triple the following recipe: 2 cups flour, 1/4 cup sugar, 1/3 cup milk, 1/2 tablespoon honey, 1 teaspoon salt. To triple the following recipe, 2 cups flour becomes 6 cups flour, 1/4 cup sugar becomes 3/4 cup sugar, 1/3 cup milk becomes 1 cup milk, 1/2 tablespoon honey becomes 1 1/2 tablespoon honey, and 1 teaspoon salt becomes 3 teaspoons salt. Cut the following recipe in half: 2 cups flour, 2/3 cup sugar, 1/2 cup milk, 1 tablespoon honey, 1/4 teaspoon salt. To cut the following recipe in half, 2 cups flour becomes 1 cup flour, 2/3 cup sugar becomes 1/3 cup sugar, 1/2 cup milk becomes 1/4 cup milk, 1 tablespoon honey becomes 1/2 tablespoon honey, and 1/4 teaspoon salt becomes 1/8 teaspoon salt. You're ready to bake. What will you create? Want to give the gift of reading to one child in poverty? Donate $3 to change one life. Visit wordrebel.org.